Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is February 17th, 2021, and I want to do a quick video here of something that I find on every single one of these 22 cubic inch blocks engines. This one happens to be a 1965 18 horse Johnson. For the last 2 years, every one of these motors I've looked at needs a top crankshaft seal. Symptoms of having a bad top crankshaft seal are a lean pop that won't go away, hard starting, poor idle quality. Will also throw oil over your ignition system and cause your points not to work, and you'll get a misfire, things like that. So a way to check for top crankshaft seal leaking is use some soapy water. I have the spark plugs out because we're relying on crankcase compression, and you turn the engine over, the crankshaft over. It might be hard to see, but the seal is actually bubbling over here on this side of the seal. So every time I turn it, there's a bunch of bubbles. So I don't know if you could see that or not. So, but it has a leaking top crankshaft seal. Excuse me while I get my hands out of the way. So part number for the new seal is a 767970. That's through Evinrude. So in order to replace this, of course, you remove the points cam, you take your woodruff key out. Now I have to use a knife or a blade, and I stay away from the crankshaft, and what I do is I just cut the top half of that seal away so I can get the tool in there. But these motors are getting old, and these seals are failing, and like I said, it's every single one of these 22 cube blocks that I've done, that I've worked on in the last 2 years. So I have replaced dozens and dozens and dozens of these seals. This is probably my 6th one this week. So I just cut that rubber out of there. So there's a specialty tool for this. This is by Richard's Outboard Tools. I'll leave a link in the description of where to get it. But it makes it super simple. Just put it on, thread the tool down into the seal, until it doesn't want to turn anymore. And then you tighten the screw on the top. And it pulls the seal out. I usually clean it up like a little carburetor cleaner. Take a rag and stuff it down in there and just clean it up a bit. Look out, peppers. Take the new seal, and I take a little bit of 2-cycle oil, dab it on my finger, and I coat the inside lip of that seal, of the new seal. And you just kind of want to slip it over the crankshaft. Make sure you don't roll the seal. Then I use this, it's actually made for the gear cases on 99 through 35 horsepower for putting the clutch dogs back in and the springs and stuff, but it works pretty good for this too. So and that's all there is to it. So it's pretty simple to replace it. The seal itself is about $15 or $16. I don't remember how much the tool is right offhand, but I think it's only about $25 or $35, somewhere right around there. And replacing this seal will ensure that this motor will idle properly after the rest of the service has been done on it. So anyway, there's a little tip there. Thank you for watching. Bye.